Yep. Yep. A pot of red pea soup will do the job. See that? That smoked turkey neck you have here. So we have some smoked turkey neck here. We have our corn. And that is sweet potato. And that's the sweet potato like what I have in Jamaica. Not the sweet potato here. And I have some little tin as we call it. And this is made with whole wheat flour. And my seasoning and some carrots. So in this soup you will find, oh my God, see that? 13 beans. So I have smoked turkey neck and my ham bone. So you hear the pressure cooker going over there? That's my ham bone. I'm going to transfer it to here. So this is it now. This is it. This is the ham bone. So this is going to put the finishing touch to the soup. Yes, man. So this is the ham bone. So I'm going to leave it here for about 15 minutes. Yeah. Yes, man. That's the ham bone. That's going to be the finishing touch. Can't have New Year soup without the ham bone. No, sirree. No. Bye.